Hi everyone, what is up? My name is Haley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you did not know, now you do. Hey you guys, what's up? So in today's video, y'all, I'm going to be telling you or showing you how much money I made on this YouTube channel in 2022. I'm going to be talking about YouTube AdSense. I'm going to be talking about affiliate links, and I'm going to be talking about sponsorships, and then showing you guys the in total amount of how much money I've made on this channel. Now, keep in mind, I am a smaller influencer. I don't know if I'm considered a micro influencer or not. I don't know what the tiers are, but I have less than 5,000 subscribers, which means that working up to this amount, I was, I think, all the way under like 3,000 and 2,000. And so yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a realistic idea of how much money you might be able to make if you were to start a YouTube channel. And so yeah, with all that being said, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and you can let me know down below in the comment section if it was more, less, or something in between that you thought it would be. So for YouTube, in the year of 2022, January 1st to December 31st, I had 195,000 views, and I had 12.2 thousand watch hours. I gained 1.2 thousand subscribers, and my estimated revenue was a whopping $1,305.05. So the money I earned here could have technically purchased my Tory Burch bag, my Fleming, and all I think of my Longchamp bags could have been purchased with this amount of money. And now I'm sitting at 3,066 subscribers, and it's January, what is today? January 6th. So moving on to, actually, I don't think I have to move on to Amazon, you guys, because I think I know off the top of my head, because not that many people purchase stuff for me on Amazon, and I don't really promote anything on Amazon. I just have my filming equipment, the stuff that I use, my microphone, my camera, my lights, my tripod, everything listed down below. I really don't care if people buy it. It's just if someone asks me, what camera are you filming on? What lens are you using? What lighting are you using? What microphone are you using? I like to be able to tell them, look in the description box, it's linked. And so I think a few people have purchased some of the items, and I made around, I think it was $16 to $20 in 2022 from Amazon. But I don't think I got the money paid out to me because it has to be over $25, and it hasn't hit $25. So I haven't really made any money on Amazon. It's just sitting there collecting dust and pennies. So moving on to the next chunk of money that I earned from this channel, and this is affiliate marketing. So is Amazon, but like to know, I'm pretty sure that's what it's called, right? LTK is what I use for affiliate links, for earning commission on items that you purchase with my links. I know there are a lot more. I'm just too lazy, you guys. I know it's free money because there are people that click on links and buy stuff all the time. I'm just way too lazy to find out or to search for the links. I try my best, but for me, I'm like, that $30 that I could have earned, that $10, $7 that I could have earned is not worth it to me. Some people might disagree, and they're gonna be like, girl, you better find your links and you better put them in the description box from October 24th. No, oh, it only shows me 3 months. Oh, so I have to go back. Hold on. Give me 1 second and let me figure out how much money I made in 2022, you guys. 1 second. I earned $1,047.61 from people clicking on my links, my affiliate links in my description box, and buying an item that I have recommended. I believe the number one item was the Tory Burch Fleming bag, and then the Gucci Down Assist was also sprinkled in there, but I do think that there were a few people in 2021 that purchased a bag using my link, and so I'm not really counting the money that I earned there or for those purchases, which would probably be maybe like $200 more. And then there was the, what is this thing called? A lot of people bought a Longchamp bag that I recommended, and then a perfume. I think it was Chanel Coco Mademoiselle and tints. And so that's where the bulk of my money came for. I think there's like maybe a few other purchases in there. So I do think that the price per purchase is relatively high for LTK dependent on what you are selling. There are some things that have a higher percentage, like purchase percentage for you, like commission for you to receive. And usually when you're getting into the luxury category, even if it's not a very high percentage, because it's a high price point, you're still going to make a lot of money. So let's say that you purchase a bag for $3,000, 1% commission off of that, which is relatively low for LTK, would be around $30. And so if you get a 10% commission, you would make $300 off of that purchase, which there are some, sellers and retailers on LTK that give you a higher commission than others. And it'll tell you this is a high commission rate, and you can pick and choose what you want to, share and what link you want to copy and paste in your description box. And for me, I've noticed that since you're getting into luxury and since you have expensive items usually that you're sharing, that even if the commission is low, a low percentage, you're still going to earn a decent chunk of money for even one sale. You only have to sell one luxury bag or item versus having to sell 200 shirts that you like for 10 that are 10 or 20 bucks and only earning like 10 or 20 cents. So for me, it's like work smarter, not harder, but I guess to each his own. And I was actually shocked by LTK, you guys, because I seriously am not using the website or the app to its full potential because, like I said, for me, it's a lot of work. I have a lot of things that I have to do in my life, and me searching for luxury items isn't really number one on my list, but I try my best. I'm really bad at it, but I do try my best to include links for things I can find. So it was shocking for me to see this get in the 1,000 range. I honestly thought when I was sharing these links that it was going to give me like $1 here, $1 there, but not $1,000. And so how it works is that there is a maybe close period or a pay period, and I think it's within like after 90 days you will get paid. So usually 3 months is when I get paid, and it comes like every other Friday of the month. And the reason that they do this, I believe, is because the return period for a lot of shops, especially online shops, is 90 days, and they're like payment processing for the returns and everything. They want to make sure that the item is not returned before they pay you. They want to make sure the person's keeping the item, and then you get the commission once they've kept it. I don't know what happens if someone returns something after the return period, if they deduct that money from your LTK account or not. Hasn't happened to me yet, but it would be interesting to know. I have $9.96 due to me, which will probably get paid to me actually probably later today because it's Friday. And I have $80 that's pending, and it'll come to me when it comes to me. It's usually done in increments. The highest payment amount that I've had though is I think $380 at once from LTK, and it was given to me in my PayPal account, and I had this deposit of like 350 something bucks, and I was like, whoa, what is this? And I was like going through, and it was like LTK commissions, and I was like, I made money. I was not looking or checking for LTK commissions, you guys. I just put the links there, and I was like, wow, this is really cool. And then the next point or part that I can talk about are sponsorships and how much money I make for sponsorships or on sponsorships. I have not made that much money, you guys, and I can talk maybe about how much I charge for a video, but I charge anywhere from like $50 to $150 for a sponsored video. There are also a few brands that I enjoy working with, and I'm not going to charge them too much money. I could really go down to like 20 bucks, or even if I wanted to work with them for free, I would do that because I like their products, and I've been working with them for a long time. But with that being said, with the 75 to 150 amount, I have made $625 from sponsorships. So now I have to go through and calculate, because I really didn't write all of this down. 625 plus 1,047 plus I think it was like 1,305. So my grand total that, and then I will add the $25 from, or the $20 from, the $20 from Amazon just because I want to add it. It is money that I've made. I just haven't had it deposited into my account. And the grand total that I have made on this YouTube channel in 2022, you guys, is $2,997 and some spare change, which if you divide that by 12, I have made $249.75 a month. I think for the work put in, put out ratio, that's a decent amount of money for what I make and what I upload on this channel, because it's literally me talking about items that I love, doing something that is really fun for me, and earning a little bit of money on the side to pay for my Starbucks addiction. I can't wait to see what 2023 brings me. I don't know if it's going to be a better year, a worse year. I'm hoping that it's a better year. I'm hoping that my channel grows. I'm hoping that I earn a little bit more money. If not, like I said, this is just my hobby. This is something that brings me joy, and it's something that I would be doing anyways, regardless if I made money or not. And so yeah, I hope this video helped you out. I hope this maybe opened your eyes to ways that you can earn money, or streams of income that you could be making with a YouTube channel, because it's not just Google AdSense. And so yeah, with all that being said, I am going now. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing and for being a part of this channel, following me on my journey. I hope you guys have a wonderful day or evening, wherever you might be. I love y'all, and